Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy beef jerky. Cheap too. Alright, you can pick up all the stuff at Walmart. This is stir fry meat. Already sliced up and ready to go. Marinated in a bag. This is smoky mesquite. And I want to tell you something. This smells freaking good, boy. Look at that marinade off down in there, boy. Golly bum. Take your meat and throw it in the bag. One piece at a time. That way it's all nice and marinated individually. Well, ain't nothing stuck together. Quick, easy, done in like 3 hours. Cheap. This bag of marinade cost around $3 something. And you can't hardly make marinade that cheap. This is perfect for small batches. I'm going to seal this up. I'm going to shake it up. Put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or a day. It don't matter. Get some of this air out of here. Well, look at that. And I only put like a pound in here. It's a pound of meat. You can put up to 3 pounds of meat in here. That's what this is good for. Just gonna let this, put this in the refrigerator for a little bit. I'm gonna make some jerky. Hey, but look at here. I'm gonna step it up a notch and use my vacuum marinade sealer. If you've never used one of these, I'm telling you, it's gonna be like night and day whether you're cooking for the grill or whether you're making jerky. Because you're talking about pulling all that marinade up into that meat. Alright. Get in there. Alright. Oh, I turned it off. We'll let that thing go for 15 minutes. It's like 24 hours. Alright, we're 3 hours into it. I didn't show y'all me loading this because it just, all I did was just put it on here, and I don't wipe it. I don't wipe the meat before I put it on there like you see some people blotting it. But what we're going to do is I got one piece I took off 5 minutes ago to check it, and you see how you bend it. And anyways, that's jerky. So some of this is already done. We're going to pull off the done ones. That one's done. Needs a little bit more. That one's done. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh. Tastes like barbecue. Wow. Move this rack out of the way. Put these back on here. Stick this one on the bottom, a little thicker piece. We'll let this go for about 30 more minutes. Alright. It's been 30 more minutes here. 3 hours and 30 minutes. See what we got. Oh yeah. If you're wondering, I'm eating a piece right now. My goodness, it's good. One thing I don't like about that stir fry meat I got this time is it's got a lot of fat in it. It'll be fine. It ain't gonna last long enough for it to go rancid. You see it's floppy like that? It's not because it's not done. Because it needs to cool off. It's still gonna sit here and cook. But these are done. Everything's done but that big thick piece. But I'm not gonna let it keep running just for that one piece. So That will get ate just like it is. Time for the test of a taste. Just get in here. Let me get one of these pieces down here on the bottom. It's already cooled off from 30 minutes ago. Look at that, how it breaks. Oh my goodness. More. Yeah. Man, that's some goodness right there, boy. That's freaking awesome. That is so good. I mean, it tastes like barbecued candy. This is the best way to go, y'all. Small batch. You make whatever you want. Different ways, so many different ways. My wife's already had a couple of these pieces from 30 minutes ago when I took these off the dehydrator. Boy. Anyways, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you want to, if there's a video you want to see me do on jerky, I'll do it. Y'all have a good one now. You come back. Yep.